So Carolina Forest here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina has caught your eye. Maybe it's because of the area's proximity to the rest of the Grand Strand. Maybe it's because you heard about all the great schools in the area, or maybe it's because you heard about all the top tier communities here in Carolina Forest that are home to some of the best amenities here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Now, all of these things are true and all great reasons to move to the Carolina Forest area, but today we're going to be focusing on the community aspect and more specifically the Waterbridge community. Hey, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Nick, and on this channel I talk about things to do here in Myrtle Beach. I give tips and advice about the area, and of course I talk about the real estate. So if you're thinking about relocating to the area, then be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. This way you don't miss any of my future videos about Carolina Forest. And while you're down there, be sure to hit the little notification bell as well. This way you could be the first to know about what's going on here in the Myrtle Beach real estate market. I get calls every single day from people just like you who are moving to the area, so if you ever have any questions or if I can help you find home here at the beach, then I would love to chat with you. You can always use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. Now, Carolina Forest is considered a master planned community, and it is home to some of the top communities or neighborhoods here along the Grand Strand, many of which are built around beautiful, elaborate amenity centers, and Waterbridge is no exception. Waterbridge is home to one of the biggest residential swimming pools in the state of South Carolina. It is located right off of Carolina Forest Boulevard with easy access to grocery stores, Highway 501, Highway 31, River Oaks Drive, and Robert Grissom Parkway. Schools, libraries, shopping centers, and the Carolina Forest Annex of McLeod Hospital are all just minutes away. I have a video up on my channel where I tour the entire community and talk about all of the details of the community, which I will link down in the description below so you can go check that out after this one. But today we're going to be checking out the Chesapeake Homes section of the community. This past week I took some clients by these homes and I was absolutely blown away and just thought that I had to share them with you. If you've ever seen any of my past videos about Bridgewater up in Little River, then you know that Chesapeake builds some beautiful homes. So be sure to hit that thumbs up button for more videos like this in the future, and let's go ahead and get into this home tour. Okay, here we are outside of this Savannah floor plan. This is a Chesapeake's model here in Waterbridge. This home doesn't look like much from the outside aside from the 3-car garage, but it is close to 3,500 heated square feet. This does normally come as a 2-car. They've added the 3rd car option for the model. You have a nice front porch there, and a nice entranceway when you come in, nice long hallway, little office there to the left that we'll check out in a second. But first, we're going to go down this guest area here on the right. Obviously, in the front of the home here, you do have the access to the garage, nice little drop zone, bunch of windows in this home letting in all of the natural light. There's your big 3-car garage, plenty of space for everything that you need. Again, you have that nice drop zone, a bunch of closets here as well. I want to mention that Chesapeake Homes here, they have 16 spec homes currently on the market at the time of filming this video. They're going to range from the mid $500,000 price point up to the mid $700,000 price point. Again, those are the spec homes, so those are the final prices. If you were to build from scratch in this community, they do have about 11 floor plans to choose from, starting from a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, just under 2,000 square feet. And we're in one of the biggest models here, again, the Savannah. This can be up to 5 bedrooms, plus an office, plus a loft, around 3,500 heated square feet. There you can see we just checked out the entire front of the home, and as we get to the end of the hallway here, it opens up into the main living area, but we are going to take a quick detour before we check all that out. Nice spacious laundry room with tons of cabinets for storage. You have your little powder room here as well, and then check out this beautiful open floor plan. This here is an add-on. Normally those cabinets aren't there. It is just a little nook area. Big island, big kitchen. This is the gourmet or chef's kitchen option. You do have this little butler's pantry in the back. Normally this wall is closed off here, and this section here is just one big pantry. So if you didn't need this extra counter space and the extra cabinets, that could just be a massive pantry for storage. Absolutely love the design of this kitchen. That backsplash there is speaking to me. And the big open space here with the coffered ceilings, nice high ceilings, really make this space feel much bigger than it is, and it's big to begin with. Now, this Savannah model here typically starts around $510,000. That's without any of the upgrades or the lot premiums. This one here is fully packed with all of the upgrades. Obviously, they're going to show it off as the model home. So the coffered ceilings, some of the upgrades that I showed you in the kitchen. This sliding door here on the left is typically 3 big windows like you see there in the dining room. The sliding doors in the dining room are typically the ones that are there. Your bedroom here has those same nice high ceilings, tons of windows letting in all of that natural light. And this is one of my favorite bathrooms here. You have the separated double vanities separated by the linen closet there. Huge walk-in corner shower, obviously your little toilet room. And I love the way they designed this closet. It's one big closet with 2 separate sections. This way everybody can be happy. But yeah, again, getting back to the pricing, this one as it's shown is likely going to be around $900,000. They obviously don't have a price on it because it is a spec home, but you can comfortably build this for the mid 600s up to the mid 700s, depending on what you need and what you need to add. There's a ton of extra space added upstairs, so if you don't need all that, obviously that's going to help bring the cost down a little bit. As we head upstairs, I want to let you know we do have 2 bedrooms plus the loft up here. This first bedroom here on the left doesn't come standard when you add the upstairs. This is typically all just storage space. So if you need a home with a lot of storage, this one will do it for you. And even if you needed to add the bedroom up here, there's still a ton of storage up here, especially when you have the 3rd car garage option. And we're going to show you that here in a minute. This is a huge bedroom up here. If you need it, it's almost like a second master bedroom. Another linen closet up here. Tons of storage in this home. I hope you could see that. Here's your full bathroom up here. And then right beside this, we have your last bedroom. I quickly want to mention the lowest base price when you're building in this community is going to be about $484,000. Again, that's without your lot premiums or any of the upgrades that you put into the home. Those spec prices that I mentioned earlier are going to give you a good idea of what you can get into this community for. And as I'm about to show you this huge storage space that I mentioned to you, we're going to wrap up this tour here. I hope that you liked this one. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button down below. It means a lot to me. I'm going to give you one last look at this loft, and I will see you back in my office. Lately, I feel like I've been saying this every single home tour, but that's definitely one of my favorite ones that I've filmed. And if you take anything from that, hopefully it's that you can see we have a variety of amazing options to choose from here in Myrtle Beach. As always with new construction, you're going to have a variety of floor plans and a variety of build options to choose from. So if you ever have any questions or if you'd like some more information about this community, then please feel free to reach out. As always, you can use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. And while you're down there, if you've not done so already, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.